Hey everybody, so it's March 27th, 2020, and this is the stock that I held overnight. So I got in like first I think around here, and then I averaged down somewhere. I think it was down here, and it took my position to this spot. So this is the aftermarket here, and then this is the pre-market. So I don't know if it's gonna go back up to my break even, or if it's just gonna continue going down. I'm currently losing $34 on this one. It's a $434 investment, so I'll be left with 400 if I pull out. But I can't pull out right now. I have to wait till the market opens. It's gonna open in about 7 minutes. The leading gapper of the day today that came up on Trade Ideas is this one, and currently it looks very neutral right here. And then if you look at the daily chart, like it doesn't have anything where, I guess this day here, like it went up a lot, but then it went down. So I don't know. I don't know if I want to go into this. And then the second leading gapper I think was this one, 66%. I think I'm gonna get onto this one. And the third leading gapper is this one, which is going down. All this news is old, so this was 10 hours ago. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Okay, 40 seconds for the market to open. And that's what it does. It says I can't modify it. I guess I can't modify right at 6:30 for some reason. You see? Order cannot be modified. I have to wait till 6:31. I'll just delete it. I can't delete it either. I'm gonna be pulled out of here with a loss. It can't be oh my god. Of course. It doesn't want to get out of there. Come on, get out of there. I just oh my god. There, finally. Can't modify it? Okay, whatever, I'll take a loss then. There, it took like forever. This one came up on the momentum scanner from Trade Ideas. It's a pot stock, and I think the pot stocks might just go up today. This is a pot stock too. I should have sold right when it was up here. It doesn't want to. $72. So I've been getting all these reds lately. My gain, it's only 400 now. I could lose it all today with this one. Yeah, I'm probably gonna stop doing this, and if I do invest day trade, I know I was trying to make like a lot of money in one day, like 1,000 or 500, 800, whatever, 2,000. But it's not easy, and I don't have the patience for it to go up that much. Like, and I always choose the ones that don't go up for some reason. Like this one, the one that went up yesterday, is still going up. Not a lot, not that much like yesterday, but at least it's doing a lot better than the one I got in. Like, this is the one I got into right here. It's just going down. And then this one, the one that I didn't get into, it seems like it's just going up. So, yeah, I'm probably, if I continue trading, I want to go back to my goal of like $20 or $50, $100, because when I had that goal, at least I was making something, here. But now that I'm trying to have like a goal of a large amount of money, I'm beginning to lose. Like I noticed that, like, it doesn't want to go my way, or doesn't want to go up. I go to break even, and I decide to hold even longer. Then I lose more. For instance, this one, when it was break even here, around this area, wherever it was, I think it was here, break even, I could have sold everything, even with a small loss, $2, $5, $10, but not no $70 loss. So I get stubborn. Let's go up to all the way over here right now, so I could feel a little bit worse. So yeah, this is some risky stuff. Yeah, I know it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna give this one some more time. Hopefully, like, I don't let an hour pass and it goes down to here, because if it goes down to here, it's gonna take all my profit, and on top of that, it's gonna start taking my own money. Like, what I wanted it to do is at least go to here, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. So it's 7:28, and I'm just gonna give it some time. If I take this loss now, I'm gonna be left with this gain for like a month and a half of 177. It's not what I wanted, but this thing is just growing, and I'm really pissed off right now. I don't want it to grow any. It's probably gonna go all the way to 600. Look, it's already at almost $400 loss. Definitely not fun. Definitely not what I wanted. And I can't seem to get onto the ones that have uptrends. The only ones I get onto have downtrends. It's just not fun. Not fun at all. So here it is. I'm gonna take this loss now. It's 722 shares. Oh man, I'm so mad right now. Well, I'm gonna first sell half just to see what happens. There, I'll only have 413 left. Doesn't seem like it's doing much of anything. So I'm just gonna sell the other 400. Oh, yeah, we'll see what happens. But, it might, since, I don't got the patience, but it already got to this support, and it's like, who has the patience to stick around 4 hours, 5 hours, the whole day thing? I don't have it. I just want to get in and get out. I don't want to wait. So here it is. What's the loss? So for a month and a half, I'm only up 128 now. Since I just been losing and losing and losing. So that's the biggest loss of them all. It's a $376 loss, almost $400. Like this one, like it's going up. Why couldn't the one that I went on start doing that? I'm gonna record like at 1 p.m. what this did overall. I've noticed that ever since I lost first those 200, like I wanted to get those 200 back, and then I wanted to make more, and it was just a downward spiral. So this was the stock that I was in, and if I would have held it for another hour or for another 2 hours, I would have probably lost like 1,000 or maybe 1,200, because right here where I got out, it was probably, I'd say, like, I got out maybe around here, but then it just went further down. This part right here is where it did the worst, like, nosedive, because I don't know, it probably even got halted going down. That's why there's like a gap right here. I don't know why there's a gap, but yeah, it just kept going down. Right now it's currently at 364. So when I sold it, I think I lost more, because there was another one here that I traded. Where is it? Oh, it was this one. $72. So it must have been way more than 400. I lost today, I'll just say this week, $703. Just this week, $703. Let me see, custom. It's the 27th, so I'll say 26. Yeah, 450. I lost 450 between yesterday and today. That was an 11% loss. 11% loss. So out of all the gain that I had, which was 832, I only have now left 128. So yeah, I'm gonna stop trading for a while. Like, and if I do trade, I'm just gonna try to make 20-50 bucks like I was doing before, because when I was doing that, I was actually making money. Like, I was going up. Like, it was a slow process to make 800. It took a month, but still, like, I I was doing a lot better. And now that I just want to make like big gains, and then another thing, I don't think I'm gonna stay in a stock longer than 15 minutes if it doesn't go up when I go in, and I'm not gonna stay in a stock if it's already at $100 loss or $80 loss. I'm just gonna get out. So what I'm trying to do from here on out is go in right when it's gonna start going up, or when it already has momentum going up, and that way I could kind of ride the wave. But I won't be able to trade here until this day. So these 2 days I can't. Got 0 trades. So that's it for the video, and then I probably won't be doing no more Webull videos, but probably just gonna do my Extreme Fortunes 1-year review, and maybe I'll do like a update on my Acorn investing app, how the account's doing with this economic crash, which I can show right here real quick. It's $1,854 loss, and it kind of recovered because 2 days ago, I guess the Fed pumped money on the markets, but it's probably gonna, in April, it's gonna continue going down. I'm not sure about that, but I don't think the market's gonna recover, especially with all the unemployment now. Alright, well, thanks for watching my video. Have a good one. Bye.